How to fix temporarily locked PayPal account. So you might be in the position where you are trying to access to your PayPal account, but unfortunately you are not being able to. And it says that your account has been temporarily locked. In order for you to fix this issue, what you want to do is head over to any of the web browser. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for PayPal account locked. Now head over to the very first site. It will be landing you on this official site. So in order to fix the issue, over here you can see it says, go to contact us. Choose or call us near the bottom of the page. Once you make the call, you have to state the problem that you have been facing on PayPal. Well, after that, what you can also try doing is tap on No over here and then click on Other. Now in this box, you have to state the problem or write the problem that you have been facing on PayPal. Simply write that your account has been temporarily locked and I haven't done any of the activities that is against the community guidelines of PayPal. So please help me recover my account as soon as possible. You can also enter some of the information of your PayPal. Once done, tap on Submit at the bottom. Now within 24 hours, the PayPal customer support will definitely help you out and make sure that you aren't facing any of the problem. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix PayPal account temporarily locked. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.